KW 5150. Today I'm gonna do an oil change on my Bolens MTD lawnmower, and not sure if it's necessary or not, but I've disconnected the spark plug because I'm gonna do some other work also. But got the spark plug disconnected, and you will identify your drain plug here. This is your dipstick for your oil, and as you see, it's don't look too bad, but it's time for a change. I had never changed it, to be honest with you, so it's time for a change. So we'll set this to the side. Now, to keep from making a mess, you want to have, because when you open this up, the oil's going to drain out onto your deck. So they have a tool for that, but I don't have the tool. So I came up with this concoction right here. Got me a water bottle. Let's see how it works. So we'll see how that works, and hopefully the oil will run out, run down in there, and that'll be how it goes. So we got the tool, righty tighty, lefty loosey. Alright, so I got my plug loose and drain bootleg drain plug. I'm getting a little bit on my deck, a little spillage, but for the most part, it's going out and going into the bucket. That's what we want. Yeah, that's dirty oil. It's time for a change. And when you got the plug off, you want to make sure, check your gaskets and everything. Well, when you have your plug off, clean any debris and dirt off of it before you put it back in there. I'm just going to let it drain. Drain all the oil out. Now to reinstall the plug. And you know the rules, righty tighty, lefty loosey. Let's do a hand tight at first. And you don't need to torque down on it or nothing crazy, just boom. Drop my dipstick. Alright, now all we got to do is add the oil. Let me add oil here, and we'll check the level as we go. Alright, now to refill the oil. Again, we got our SAE 30 weight. Also note, make sure that your oil plug is not leaking. Check the level again. Remember, we just fill this incrementally because we don't want to overflow the engine. You can look it up in your book and see how much you're supposed to put in there, but I didn't do that.